So this is day 3 of the AI Starter Story Bootcamp. So day 1, we basically just created the idea for the app. Day 2, we created a product or product requirement documents. I actually went ahead a little bit and just used that to create the initial phases of the app. But today we need to actually create the project name, connect the GitHub, build the documents folder in our GitHub, upload the PDRs to the knowledge base in Lovable, and connect the project to Supabase. So first off, just starting off with the name. I'm using ChatGPT to create some names for the app. I like to use ChatGPT just to get some ideas, and generally I either pick something or I just mesh like two different things together. I feel like tube loop is already a thing, but it is an MVP, so I could just change it later. I'm just gonna call it tube loop. I don't know why. That just works with me, so I'm gonna work with it, right? To rename the project, you just go up here. I'm just gonna call it tube loop. Rename the project. Oh, only lowercase, okay? Tube loop. Rename. And then also I'm going to go into the settings. And what we are doing in the settings is that we need to connect to GitHub. So looks like integrations, this is the place to do it. We're going to connect to GitHub, authorize Lovable, add organizations, install authorize your personal account. Yeah, I'll just do this for now. And then this is my GitHub organization, Tianna Reeves. Okay, continue, connect, try it again. Let me just go out. Okay, so now it works. It's under that organization. And then from there, we need to view the project on GitHub, right? And I'm calling it Tube Loop. And we already have documents because I created this yesterday when I ran that base prompt. So I'm going to go into. Okay, I need to upload some files. So I'm gonna choose the files, move it off screen real quick, but I will choose the project requirement documents that I created yesterday. They're all as markdown files. I'm gonna add these files, and for the commit, add files via upload. I would say the commit would be added PRRD files. Okay. Okay, actually, that's a little bit of a problem. I'm trying to see if I can. Let me figure out how I can create a folder because I don't want these to just be in any folder. Actually, no. No, I do want to create. I want to put this in a folder. So let me just try to see if I can figure this out. I usually don't do anything. Let's go to create. Okay, so I created a folder right here, and that's all I needed to do. I'll just do test.md, commit changes, um, commit changes. All right, but now let's see if the folder Um, the docs folder got saved. Okay, there's a docs folder. Okay, so we added the PRDs and committed them. Now we need to connect the project to Supabase. So I think that's connect Supabase. Supabase is a complete platform for building apps with user authentication, data storage, other backend capabilities. Connecting it to your local project will enable you to build more advanced apps and support things such as AI features and payments. Which AI features and payments is definitely something I'm trying to use with this app. So yeah, I'll click see documentation. I'll just continue connecting to Supabase, but cannot connect. Why can't it connect? Okay. No, we gotta troubleshoot it. Yeah, I keep getting this error when I try to connect Supabase to my lovable app. What troubleshooting steps should I take? Confirm you're using the correct project. Ensure you're copying the correct public anon key. Double check for white space or typos. Let me see. Do I need to already have a project for it? Called like Tube Loop? I feel like you shouldn't. Choose a strong password. Okay. Use strong password. Okay. Region closest to your user for best performance. I'm gonna say West. Okay. I'll probably won't deal with that right now. Cool. So I do have a tube loop project now. So let me see if I need to go back. Oh, look at the documentation too. How long is this video? Okay. I'll watch this real quick. Okay, that's not what I need. Oh, I don't think I had a project yet. Hold on. Connect Supabase. Okay, so I'm giving it the access. Here's the organization. It's not even asking me about a project. So, okay, so maybe I needed a project. Okay, so I needed a project. You need a project in order to actually connect Supabase to Lovable. Yeah, connect. But then you also have the option to create a project. Follow the instructions in the chat to complete the integration. You can now fully work the fully featured backend and powerful features. Okay, what's next? Keep building. If you plan to, we highly recommend you set up authentication first before setting up any other features. Let me see. I think the only other thing is that so we already did the soup base, right? So I think we're gonna have it reference the PRDs this time. And I have a prompt that they gave us in this boot camp, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it and see if Lowell has anything else for me. Saying, hey, do you understand everything with this project? Ask me any clarifying questions before we proceed to phase 1. Consider moving image generation to phase 4. Okay. Um, I'll say I agree with your suggestion for moving image generation to phase 4, right? Okay. Yes, I want access to all user videos. That is what I want to do. There are no duration limits for text generation. I know. OpenAI for text generation. That's what I'm more comfortable with. And then for the images, I'm trying to think. We'll just use Dolly. You know what? Don't think it too much. Image specifications, exact dimensions. Okay, I need to ask ChatGPT because I actually don't know what the exact dimensions are for Instagram carousel. I guess this one. I thought it was the other one. But no, we're going to go with that. I'll just ask, what are viral for Instagram carousel images? Oh, yeah. I'll do infographic grid all day, every day. Swiped. I'll just do that. For the visual style requirements, content filtering. There are no videos like that. Okay. Five, missing session only data. Should users lose everything on page refresh, or keep it until browse close? Users should be able to retry individual steps. Users can edit slide text. Any limits on how many videos a user can process per day slash hour? If we're doing one video equals 3 carousels, I'd probably just do okay. I'd start off with 3 videos. Oh, that's a good one because I don't want to limit myself either. I would say 3 videos per hour. Any restrictions on videos, length, language, or content type? I'll just say only English language because I haven't really messed with, excuse me, different languages than AI in like AI models. I'm pretty sure they'd figure it out, but I don't want to. I don't know if I want to trust AI's translation right now. For the zip download, do you want? Okay. Thank you for the clarifications. Updated planned. Day 1, day 2 ready to start. So we do the Google Auth setup, YouTube API integration. Do you already have cloud storage? Google Cloud Storage console access, Supabase secrets. Oh, I got to do all this stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Since we're only session only, yeah, I need to do all this. But I think I'll do this in the either I'll do this in a different video, or I'll just start day 4's video and say I did everything. I did all of this, which is this was all that was required for day 3. Actually pick your project name, connect to a GitHub, build the docs folder, which I kind of did. My computer started to like really start to crash for a second. Upload the PDRs and commit them, and then connect the project to Supabase. And then I ran the prompt saying, "Hey, are you sure you understand like what we are trying to build? If not, give me some questions so that we're both on the same page as far as like what I want you to build." So I did all that, and I think I'm gonna stop the video here, um, and then tomorrow we'll go through day 4 and really get into building the rest of the app and connecting these APIs and authentications.